The subscribe yet. Fire with fire.
Hey you, tell me why you want to. Hey, me never born in the ghetto, but the ghetto raised me. Joy inna me heart, so nothing no fears me. Me work for what me want, cause me no lazy. Never be a beggar, cause me so feisty. Public no trouble people, son not trouble me. Me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what, cause you can't cool this your fire, fire, fire. Hey.
The worst thing about people is that they like to play victim. When the fire starts to blaze, then run, but then can't run from your fire.
Public no trouble people, son not trouble me. Me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what, cause you can't cool this your fire, fire, fire. Hey.
You. Yeah, walk. Where you deal with the ego? Yeah, man. Here what happen still? Let me ask you a question. I will not see you from Chris. Eh. Same thing me I say. Yeah, man, something alright, you know. A boy up to something. Yeah, man. Yo. Right now, I tell you, I make good feelings say something. Now, you know me stay already, bridge. And when time Missy says something's wrong, something wrong. He up to something, man. But you I'm still. You gotta do a little thing for me, Zin. Yeah, man. You go on, you go around a Jackson. Yeah, go a Jackson place, that's a man. Yeah, man. I think between 5 and 7, or between the lane there, so. Check in sister. Yeah, man, I have a sister around there. So, I go check in for her. No, no. Listen to me, virgin. Listen to man, no do her nothing. No, man, I don't want you to do her nothing. Why you listen, virgin? Your head's so hot, man. I don't want you to do her nothing. Then, yeah, you can scare her and sit there, you know, give her a look or whatever, but no bother with that. Then, yeah, man, just check up on that and see what's going on. Something out for happen or something seems right, you know. And yeah, man. Alright, cool. Hold on. Yeah, later. Blessed boss.
Where do you do daddy?
What you asking what me I do with you? Are you a father or me a father? What you asking that when me I do with you, so? What happen now?
After that, daddy. Again, tomorrow football match, somebody want to come with me, you know, as my father. But I mean a lot to me for you out there and I watch me, isn't it?
Okay, man. I'm tired of talking to you about this in the youth. And everywhere I can be seen. Talk to you about that, youth. I know say I final tomorrow, I'm good to see you watch and so forth. But and anywhere in the public I can go. Sit down one day and talk to you about certain lifestyle I deal with. Certain places I cannot be seen. Talk to you about that. I'm sorry, boss, but you know what happened? You have to go deal with them other on the case. She have to go bring you. And I can't bring you. Zane, certain little vibes are going nowhere. You just have to lay low. So go link your mother. Zane, she will carry you.
Seriously, daddy?
Yes, seriously.
Seriously?
Yeah, man. Alright, let's go on. Deal with the mother.
Everything alright, man.
Yo. Yeah, man. One day you will learn. You will understand. Zane, sir, just go on in. Yeah, man. Let's go on in. Yeah,
Venice. Wow, no Venice.
How that?
I am Musa.
How this a man?
You see, I cost us, sweet out. I did it.
How this? I don't understand how this.
What go on here now? I cost us, man. What go on? Prime Minister son, man. I ask man.
Who you?
I'm tell you, man.
Eh?
What go on?
No.
Chris not there.
Where you come and look for my brother for? What your name?
Chris Virgin, man.
What your name? Chris Bredrin. Say your name, Chris Bredrin.
Ego then call me, man.
Ego.
Ego. I don't know, you know. Nice cheat to go. So what you know? I'm on them look for which point there?
Where you look for my brother? What you want?
I'm a virgin man, I'm going to tell you I'm a virgin man, I reason more with him.
I don't understand this because one man come already from when which day come look for my brother. No one next man come. How what happen? You know any things?
No, man, I'm a dog, man.
Your dog?
I know things. Watch out now. For him there, not there. Shout him on his phone or something now.
My phone dead.
Oh, yeah, sir. So you say, I want something to charge it up. It's full of credit, you know. Digital line. Do it faster, man. Go.
Bro, one man come here and say he want to talk to you. I don't know him. I first me and see him. What you mean? Me not understand you. What you mean? Say man come and they come ask
Tell them say I'm virgin, man. Tell them say I'm Ego.
You not hear me in the background? When you say name Ego. You know him? Oh.
You matter. Oh, go on. There, man, father, man. Forward upon him, so I give you one link, but even there, you see it, they are really a beautiful sister, you know? Alright, I know what we did. Alright, check your around there, sir. Alright, give me about 5 minutes. I'll jump in and skate and reach on there. Still want the credit. Later, yeah. Watch out, mama. We bodied principle, you know, when I heard female, you know. I don't want to go, you know. We link up, man. Should I leave her my number if I want to have a drink, you know? Dangles. Ego. Bad boy Chris, man.
How going, General?
I'm to you, man. There, man.
Thing good?
There, I'm General, man. I'm to you, Chris. I pray.
I'm there, bro. As you know, I'm going, you know, still I do my thing.
There, man. I go on normal out, man.
So what kind of visit is, bro?
A freedom visit, man. I say 8 months now we left jail, you know, so I'm a freedom visit. You know, easy,
that's
you know.
True, that's true. You visit me now, I'm not pretty, you know, so I know you're kind of working, you know, so you call it ego. You know?
You know, easy, you know.
So what you gonna?
You don't know what I say. Boss, I say, boy, I shout up your phone and I get through to your line, you know what I mean? So me myself, yeah, I wonder if you're safe or you see me?
No, you are going.
Word, brother, like me, I say, I wonder if you're good or you're not good. You know them little level there? Because some things are going on and I say, John, no. You see me, man, them dash off some little virgin that said you.
That's how that.
And them dash off Rick Storm on the item in general, and you see me? So on them time, I say, I even see a virgin now, fly out, or, you know what I mean? So You know, we have to come link you because you don't know.
But what I don't really say me a cut in, but word on the street say, are you reporting?
Some do?
You went there when him get shot.
Yeah, man, when did that, man?
So, I don't understand. Yeah, link me and you went there, you know what I'm going. You want to see me there?
That's the problem, I know.
Cause, you
that
see,
I don't want no man to come think about that, you know. You see me, because you know.
Ego, me know you stay in the ego. Me have fall from far, you know. And for your thing is really straight to know what me know and all these things. No say Ego?
Father, and I really say that, you know. As me I say, a long time I see you bad bro, you know. And I know say there's a man in the road said way. And I say, you must hear some things, and I say, watch on, man. Nah, you're from here, so I have to come find and you want to go on, you see it. From your end. You see I deal with, because even Bossy, as I say the same thing. Same now you're from here.
Yo, I'm tell you about Bossy. You see Bossy right now, this whole ordeal is about 70-30. I mean, a reason because you're a good youth, you know. And the reason I'm even there so right now to talk to you, I mean, I have, yo, look, I have nothing for me.
Good
you know,
youth.
I'm a man who, you know, I always trap.
Good youth, that body no my father stick up in, man. No kind of good youth you talk about, man.
Rough. Alright.
Good youth.
Alright, that is it. So, yo, hear me say, man. Me hear how you check my sister, you know. I'm still not approach the way I'm supposed to approach it. I don't say it's a
man. Nah, man, what you talk about, man? I say good evening, man. Link her up. Nice man.
You can't show me sister.
But you know, you watch her, you know better than that, man. She man, you know,
no, that's why I'm there.
Female, man.
That's why I'm saying, you know what? It's just for maybe shake her up and thing and rate it. I'm not right for nobody, because me a man, you know. But you want to go and still. What you really want to know? At that moment, I ask you.
No, don't tell her already, man. I say a bag of things are going on, man. Them dash Rick Star, man, I brother. You see it? Twice sitting them missing up, said we. So I deal it, and I kind of get more serious because I say them things are go on. And I said, nobody not really to know what go on in a circle, so I must have a man from in a circle. I know what go on in a circle, so I deal it.
You see, the thing is they keep on growing in a circle, and I tell me, say, I must have a man nice. That's why I ask you again, who to tell some boy you try to clear your, you know, try to clear your name.
Yo, Chris, you say yo. You say yo, you're not easy, you know, Chris.
That me I talk
your
about.
Brain you use, you know.
I'm not brain, a reality.
You know I'm come upon already, man. You know I'm forward upon already, man. This is my wife for that all.
Alright, you are going.
You know I'm forward upon already, brother.
I don't have no information about that right now. Tell your boss, say, if you kind of ease up off of my case. That me I tell you. Because I mean, I really want to, you know, handle certain things. You know, thing I miss up on a phone thing, I get my work done just the same way. Tell the boss to leave me alone. See? When you want to contact me, you don't need to contact me. Me and my friend, me report and do my duty to them. Simple as that. So I know everybody try for, you know what I mean? Because you know, feel good. You know what I mean?
Oh,
so no bother do that thing there. That me I tell you. Right now, come check me on my yard right now. Me don't know what you up to.
I talk about Christmas, man. I don't say anything me depend on that me depend, man. If me depend on nothing else, man, I don't say. I be a can and say already, man. You know if you think come down.
That's what I say right now, me depend on war with you, ego.
You see me? Watch on, man. That's what I say. Brother thing from man, and you shouldn't even reach us about bro. That's we are question certain things, you see me? Because I know you're a good youth, you know. So,
you're going to put good youth for me now. So good youth get what? You see I'm free for my thing? But you always say, yo, the time in a cut and then, so angle your thing, you know. And me keep her posted, man. Seeing, but as me I tell you, you check my sister, don't do that again. You know for fine.
I talk about bro.
You know for fine.
You know for thing already, man. Watch out, man. Is that yo, my number, if you argue, I can give her. That's me I tell you. Give her my number.
I just see I take it. Here you go.
Give her my number, man.
Me link you, see?
Do that. You know what thing go.
Yo, I'm bad with that, man.
I must have blush good as all I blush when to see bad boy coming in, you know? But yeah, me I say. You know where you're going, you know? We don't really need to fall out, you know, because I don't know far back. So watch your period, just take this as a little warning.
I know what's a
I
friend
know
you
when
come
I
link
fall
me,
next
man.
time.
I know you,
You see me?
I know your thing, you know.
Yeah, man. So you know when I come next time, a different thing. See?
That is it.
Yeah,
I must
man,
say you
that
say
me
it,
say,
you know.
man.
I know say I say it.
Yeah,
to
man,
you. I
go,
say,
man.
I have it. I say, yo, I know when I have to bring it, I know your style.
Yeah, man, take this as a warning, man, because I don't know, you know. Next time we visit a different thing, so I deal it. But I don't know. Big up yourself, because I don't know. I want link for a morning, though? Yeah, man.
Me fight fire
Custom.
with fire,
Do the do.
fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what, what. Cause you can't cool this your fire, fire, fire. Eh.
The worst thing about people is that they like to play victim. When the fire starts to blaze, then run. But then can't run from your fire.
Public no trouble people, son not trouble me. Me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what. Cause you can't cool this your fire, fire, fire. Eh.
Hold up. Chris! Bossy! How are you doing, your Sandra? What are you doing on your side, Ado?
Yo, forward, man, forward.
That's getting rough. That come give a link, you know.
My thing is, how you know some of them, sir?
I never know. I river me come for come clear, my head is it.
Alright, turn up press, I'm forward.
Alright.
What go on with you?
Yeah, bossy, man.
Yo, so what my shoes then?
What you know, bossy? I know say me mess up on the whole thing, you see me? And don't think so I forget it now. I gotta sort it out. Cause I have a look at link where I did left it with. And him did a program a thing, so as soon as him finish sort out that, I go collect it back. Cause I do something same to you know. So by the time I done do what I do for him, I collect it and bring it forward. So you think sure man, I hear shoes man.
Alright, listen to me. See promises.
Still a fit you for.
Listen to me. See promises thing me upon that. What you have to do for me right now? Basically, you owe me a favor, you know that?
Yeah man, I know that.
Alright.
You have to ask me, boss.
Alright. Good, I'm glad to confirm that. So what me go want you to do right now?
Anything man.
You have one place down on the west side.
Mm.
One Photoshop when I center town, man. I only Photoshop.
Yeah,
so if
yeah.
you don't know about it, ask question.
Yeah.
One brother down there, him kind of owe me some things, but he don't want to drop it off. Someone you kind of, you know what I mean, get rid of him for me.
You violate
He
your bossy.
violate me terrible. So when someone you get rid of him
You're
for me,
mad bossy.
that me I say.
Eh? They don't know
Most-
say me come out.
Of that. So what more if you do is just drop him off and drop him off in such a way where, you know what I mean? Nobody get yourself in a no limelight or nothing like that.
No,
So you
man, I
wait.
want to you, man.
Alright, so I must say I'm on the Photoshop.
Yeah.
So when you go down there, he go definitely, he go do them man. But make sure you reach down there like midday.
Yeah.
I have a woman what? She go at gym. So she shot them the time.
Already, bossy.
I don't know what go on, man.
Everything want to
He's
go
a
on.
brother what me. Hey, I might go on like me don't know nothing, but you know what I mean, my eyes are
More
open.
details.
So what I'm going to do is go check him, sort out that, and then come link me out. Link me up a my spot.
Alright, we can do that, bossy.
My spot there upper close to the river. You know the river run from.
Near Jimmy side there, sir?
Yeah, man, near Jimmy side. So link me up there right now.
Yeah,
After
man.
start. So what do you do?
I want to that, man, because bossy from a place, I go turn tough in a bossy.
Oh, yes, sir.
Right now, I think, yeah, man, I'm militant here now, man. I turn a real soldier, yeah, man. I go learn the trade and the things in the place, man, and I tell you, I come out and I'm ready for work. So you say, that, I consider that done, man. I want to see a dopey bat. Ashes that.
So make sure you do it today.
Right away, I go case that.
Alright.
Right away.
Me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what? Cause you can't cool this your fire, fire, fire. Eh.
You're going to leave again?
You tell us I have business to go deal with, man.
But babes, I want to spend time with you. When are you going to make time for me?
I'm not always there with us, so what's the problem?
Babes, I'm talking about quality time. You know, quality romantic time. Look at this body. Look at this body. Look at it good. It's just going to waste. You're not making time for me.
Not about waste. Look here, man. You're comfortable or you're not comfortable?
When you start to touch my body, then I'll feel much more comfortable. But you're not touch my body, you're not do nothing with me. What you expect? Me as a woman, me have needs.
Look here. I have ends to meet and stuff to deal with. I have you to deal with, other things to deal with. And if everything not connect, you won't work, so I have business to deal with. Sometimes, caught up, and I don't talk to you about that already and support. Me find time for you, man. Don't worry about it, man. When your time come, your time come. Jane?
I'm tired of the promises.
Ah, man, then I
tired
know
of
the
the
thing set, man. You know the thing set.
I don't know nothing set. The only thing I know if it's set is to pack up my body and shake it. And you're not here to enjoy me shaking my ass at you.
Why, oh boy. How are yourself, man? Look more when I come home, everything alright, man. Jane?
See that man over there, so I look for me. You know
Yo,
what?
yeah, yeah, make them look, you know. All them can do are look, you know. Make sure they look. Cause any man touch it, they don't know where you're going, man. I ramp with me, you know. I ramp with my things, you know. You hear me say?
Babes,
I mean, why you...
I'm happy that you're working and providing for the family. But you gotta make time for me. Anyway, as always, I'm going to go to the gym and I know I'm gonna have a lot of guys looking at me because I got to work out some of this energy at the gym because I can't work it out
Look here.
with you or on you.
Yeah, hear me? Go to the gym and stop bringing up them guys with the pan. I mean, don't want nobody look for me. Things, nobody not supposed to touch my property. I talk to you about that. So go to the gym, go work out. And forget about the argument. Anybody I look for you, I come, hey, you hear me? Make sure I come there, you know. I don't see nobody I look at him much now. And you don't know anything.
Well, you get the opportunity to look and touch and you don't want to. So guess what? Look at me shaking my booty as I walk off and leave you go do your work.
Make sure I call if you come pick me up, you know what to do.
Okay,
And make sure I come up, you don't see nobody around you. And you work out by yourself. And you don't know where
Okay,
you
sir. We'll see about that.
All right.
Bye-bye.
go. Yes, man. Take care.
What's up?
What go on?
Oh, go on, man.
Where are you
I like that when you see your boss.
There, man. Where you up to?
Wait, so hold on. Are your places, sir?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Where are you dealing?
Why? I don't bother deal with nothing, you know. You know, says I work, I go up and I don't bother work.
What do you mean by you're not dealing? You know, I don't understand it.
You know, I get a one job, you see me? A man send me on a work and it's like a wrong place he send me, you see me, so I don't bother.
Whoa. Wait. You go up on work and you're not bother.
Yeah.
That not sound right.
Watch on, man. A long time I don't see you, man. Yo,
Hold on.
long time I don't see you, man.
Back up.
Me today, you know.
Me know, me hear say that. Yeah.
Forward, man.
Listen to me.
Hey.
A man send up on work
Yeah.
and you're not bother. And you look for my business place.
No, watch you know. Me I look if at the right place and send me, but it look like a wrong location. So me just say, yo, scratch this here, man. And then me go running at you. I just say, oh boy, I have to heal you up and just take on myself. You see me? So I go back and link him and I'll make him know something now about it.
How the bongo now this are going on? Hold on, man. It's all come like that something where you dig and get deep in a bridge.
No.
You're not, no, hold on, man. You're not bother.
Yeah.
You come and you look at my business place back and forth and not bother. What go on? What happened? Talk to me, man. What go on?
Talk to you,
Yeah, man, but no, man. Yeah, man. Listen, man. Back and forth and you look at my business place. And that statement they get me not bother. That not sound right, man.
But you know, if say me fi link him up on one place, you see me? And me say, alright then, me I go forward to the place. Cause don't show me the description of the place. But this one time I pull back and look, realize I wrong spot me there.
So hold on, if I saw me about here, I have to go.
Eh.
And while ago you say a PH word in your mouth, and you say, if I listen back what you say, Bridget, careful enough.
No, man, I want pharmacy, me that go say, man, PH pharmacy. Are you
Pharmacy the round, so how you look at
so, so then that means a wrong place me go. So I go check out the pharmacy, man. And that, man, I just...
I know you long time, I know you quick for your thinking about it. Ramp with me, no.
No, man, no.
Yo, look for me.
Like that,
You look for me.
Yeah, my brother, I know.
Look for me. You know so I'm smart enough to ramp with, and you know that.
Alright.
Zane?
Alright.
In the body frigid me have domino effect, and you know that, you know. Zane, sir?
Me come from the boss, me nah go back. Me no
Make
plan to
sure
go
where you tell me the truth.
back. No, me lie to you, bro. You forget. And you come bail me several times out of my situation, you know.
That's why I tell you, say, me know you need just sound fishy how you
That's
talk.
why I tell you, say, no, you see anything what did I go can't bother happen. Nothing can go on, nothing can happen. Nobody can free you because me I free them. Remember me tell you that.
You owe me a life, you know, you.
Brother.
And you owe me a whole heap.
1 life and plus 1 tree go to.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Anyway.
Say a word, man. So I go, I will say pharmacy, they run there, sir?
Yeah, the PH they run, so.
Alright.
No, the PHO.
We are link the pharmacy.
Yeah, man, I mean, man, I get everything sorted out, man. Cause I guess I know me soon run the business, and you know, fully in charge of everything.
Boss.
Hold on, sit down, man. Yeah, man. So as I say, everything, yeah, man. Cause right now, you just know everything start out to the fullest. So you can call me CEO. Call me, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, certain things are running now. Alright. Yeah, man. So, me get back to you. So, no, you must have some good news, you know. Where you go?
I wish by this time I go again, boss. The photo studio down in a Nigel Square, right?
What you mean, which part me say you have to go?
I just want to confirm something, bossy.
I want to rank somebody your wipe out?
I want bald man with beard on him face.
Yeah.
Bossy, me can't kill that man there. They don't know say that man there every time that man there bail me from out of jail. Me kill that man there who go bail me when I go back. I'm a bridging boss. One time I see him, I say, why? It's a lucky thing you look round. Sometimes I look round and I say, John Star. So I just pull back, you see it. I couldn't. Why boss, it would be a story if you come tell us I kill my friend. I swear to you. But I say, I must wrong somebody, you know? I must, you sure I see him person? I know him, man. I must somebody else, man.
Alright, tell me something now. Yeah, I joke, I joke.
No, man. No, watch you know, bossy, man. Big man thing. You see, when time me go, I'm ready, you know, because you don't know me tell you, say, I'm tough and ready for the thing. But when time I say, I'm a virgin bossy, man, that man don't bail me out of jail. If I kill him, who will bail me?
Alright, you know what?
What you look for, bossy?
I want bag me have put on that man, but you look like a bag of person. It's right beside the breadfruit tree there, so.
Yeah.
We left one black bag. So let's see if we can pick it up now.
That a breadfruit tree there?
Yeah, man, a breadfruit tree.
Let's see no bag up there, so boss.
Yeah, man, you up there, man. Let's see the bag there.
Boss, man, tell you say a lucky thing, say. Me never shoot.
We fighting fire with fire. We not inflate 'cause we not tired. We fighting fire with fire. Some of them a fight with prayer.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good
Do you know a guy named Black around here?
Me can't hear. Come out of the vehicle. Come out of the vehicle. Me can't hear.
Okay.
Nah, work out. Hold on. You have to call you back if that's the case, maybe, yeah?
Hi.
Hey.
So, I'm wondering if you know a guy named Blacker around here, from around here.
Oh, Blacker would run the gym?
Yeah.
How whenever you want to Blacker?
I want to see Blacker, so that's why I'm asking if you know of him. Or...
Yeah, man, I know Blacker live down the lane, but me ask her if you don't know what happened to Blacker. Blacker went sick and in the hospital, you know.
Oh, I had no idea. What happened?
So you now I'm gonna go to him gym, not true?
Yeah.
But funny enough, you know, yeah, there's right now. You know, yeah, you know.
From
No,
where?
like,
From where?
Me I look for your face, so me I picture everything right now.
From where?
I know you're a vast woman. Eh?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
You know, easy, you know. So I see how this one, man. Eh?
It depends on who is asking.
But I'm the person who always he might come link up to come start out some business. I don't know if you remember me from them time. Here I'll go along and them stuff, you know. Cause a long time we are roll, but good to see you and you look healthy, to be honest. You know what I mean? What I'm saying, you look like Vastra treat you very, very well. Eh?
Okay.
But as me I say, with the whole gym thing, you know, I know say your thing a long time, but it's sad to say gym not go up today. Cause last night him take sick and thing. And him have to carry him to hospital. But you know, so me, you know, me if you link up, you know, me if you talk, and me have some things for, you know, show you, cause you know, if push come to shove, we can open a little gymnastic, you know, gymnasium is gymnastic. Gymnasium business. What you say? Cause you know, not that you're into, you know, to work out. How you don't work at daytime, right?
You ask a lot of questions, eh?
You know, maybe, you know, the person in front of me get me looking nervous, you know, so me ask questions to know what go on. So what you say? Which one let me answer first? Interested?
I don't really. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Interested?
Yeah.
Yeah, talk about man. So take back my number now and see if we can ever, you know, make a little one link.
Yeah, man.
Let's put the number on your phone.
Oh, I was going to.
Yeah, man, let's put it on your phone. But start to see, you know, I go work out today that way. You know, maybe, you know, your boss can work it out later. You know, maybe we can help you out in some ways. Come in, look at thing about gymnastics, message gymnastics all the time. The gymnasium. Can, you know, give you a little exercise and maybe tactics and all them something. So,
Okay, we'll see about that.
you see about that?
Yeah.
So, tell me something now. I know you normally free certain times, like, you know, in the 12 o'clock days, so you drop off, you know. I mean, I always say drop them off, man. Nobody look like a surprise. And nobody think me a stalker or them something. You know what I mean? So, listen, can I link you up tomorrow? And we have a little nice conversation if possible.
Call me, yeah.
Call
Call
you?
me and we'll talk.
So, what time is the best time to call you, in your opinion?
Probably about 12 noon or about 1.
Tell me about one. You see,
Yeah.
it's sometime in a life, just said some things that we just can't understand, which is this. Look at me. I make a call frustrated and you make me day. You know what I mean? So
Okay.
let's reunite again. Them call me public. You?
Sandra.
Sandra. Nice to meet you, Sandra.
Well, that might be my name as well as it might not be my name.
How you say? I'll take Sandra right there. Alright?
Okay.
So tomorrow I'll see you, Sandra. Alright?
All right. All the best.
Yeah,
Nice
man.
talking with you.
Nice talking to you. Take your time and drive now, you know.
I will. Thank you.
take my call and come. Because one of the time I feel like I ignore my calling purposely.
No, man, sis. Come on. Why you don't think that? You really
Because me I call you. You know how long me I call the phone? I mean, I get your phone. Why? Me I
Sis.
call all your neighbor.
Sis, remember, say, hurricane are going. Seeing the signal them out. And a lot of things are going. We are trying to get back to normal. We don't know where normal is right now because, you know, light went gone. I mean, we have this light thing too, but sis, you can't expect, say, we just go get up and answer for your call. For your call? What of all the calls them? Come on.
Me I wonder if something wrong, man. Me I wonder if something all wrong with you. Me say me can't sleep. Me just can't sleep. You know how long now? A couple nights. Well, me don't get no sleep. Come like every minute me fall asleep. Me just jump out of my sleep because you just stay before me. Me I want you alright, man?
Good, man. Well, funny enough, you always send certain things way out of, you know what I mean? Even nothing if it happen seriously. But you know your brother already. You have to trust in your brother, you know, and know, say, me have everything from par. You know what I mean?
Trusting in my brother. I
Yeah.
want somebody me trusting in a God. Me not trusting in a brother. Me not trusting in a man. Me not trusting in a woman. Me not trusting in a boy. Me not trusting in a girl. One somebody me put my trust in a is God.
No,
You hear American they say, we trust in God.
in God we trust.
You hear me I tell you? So
Mm.
listen to me, man. Then I'm American, me a Jamaican. So me trust in a God. You understand? You're not going to tell me so I trust you.
Fine, easy. You know, I always have you some talk there. But listen, man. As I said before, you may come check to make sure so all is well. Because my day is still, you know your brother stay. Your brother has to try to get things wrong. That's just only good thing I go on to work where me have to take controller. And the only way if you take controller, you know, so your brother love, you know, peace. But this is one of to fight fire with fire. And when I say fight fire with fire, I not talk. You don't know how outrageous me talk to take back control. You understand me, sis?
I understand a statement you just make a while ago. You sure say alright, man?
Good, man. Good. I say me good, you know. I say me I get back to a place for, you know, control stuff.
Other day me hear someone shot, let go. And I say me I tell us me get paranoid. Me I wonder if you dead or something you get shot because all me I call your phone, me not get your phone. I know you can tell me about no
Yeah, your brother stay there. Your brother will stay out of trouble as far as possible and, you know, try to.
Hey, I hope you're not involved in no foolishness, because we know your head no good enough.
Yeah, as I say, a lot.
And he's very stubborn. He's stubborn like one bad bull cow. He's very stubborn. Only hope you not get yourself in no trouble, you know.
Man, as I say, me I take control of certain things.
Make sure.
Just understand, so when it really clear up certain way we want to clear up, then me fall back and me can explain everything in the details. I know you want to know details, but no way does this. You're not a person who just sit down and look for me so and I wonder. And
line by line.
But it's all good. Just know say your brother got to deal with it. You understand what I say, sis?
I gotta deal with what? Why problem? Chris, everything alright? Just sure is everything alright, Chris?
Sis, I've been telling you before, one little issue, one little hiccup I go on at work. I'm gonna fix it. Me that person right now I'm fixing it. So just understand, say just that I go on.
Involve you?
Yeah, cause you know, somebody I try to go around, you know, the whole business aspect of business. But as me say, I'll deal with it. Me in that process already I deal with it. Pretty soon me can come back here so and come reason with it in a detail, man. Just understand say in a life, you know, sometimes you can't make people feel like they want to take advantage of you, know. Can't allow that.
And in life sometimes you have to lose some for win some, you know.
You don't say that, you know.
Some things you have to let go. May I tell you the truth, and when you listen to me. You see, in this life, the only thing you have is you. You hear me just say a while ago? I'm going to repeat myself. You see, in life, the only thing you have is you. Anything else where you have can be taken away from you. Whether a house, a car, a job, anything at all. a business, anything at all can be taken away from you. So the only thing you have in life is you. Try remember that and you must protect you. Here? I want advice me I give you.
No, man. Solid
And
advice.
always remember that.
Sis, listen me, man. Me understand and I know that. Right now, I have to get some stuff done. Because I have one little friend of mine, well, one little girl who she actually, might be interested, which I don't know if it's possible still, but a long time I feel excited when I, go talk to one girl. You know what I mean? You know, your brother stay already.
Be careful.
But we talk.
You hear me I tell you?
You hear, man.
Be careful. And you... Alright, sir.
You hear, sis. See? Don't worry yourself no more, man. Everything alright.
So where that
You hear me?
girl come from?
You see, me know your question me the way there. We talk, yeah?
Mine, I don't know about the woman you have full running on my brother.
Lord of...
Mine, you know.
What make you say so now, sis?
Alright, me I tell you straight up. Look here, me not tell you nothing like me I read out of one storybook. Me I tell you as it is. And use one condom.
Alright, sis.
And when it is right, it one that can go visit to no doctor and make sure it's everything alright.
Alright, sis. Later we talk, here?
And keep out that trouble.
Me I go do that, man. Sis.
Yeah.
Just cool, man. Everything under control,
Keep
yeah?
out that trouble, here, sir.
Alright.
And anything spell trouble, don't call me name.
You subscribe here to Fire with Fire.
Hey, you. Tell me why you want to. Hey, me never born in the ghetto, but the ghetto raised me. Joy in me heart, so nothing no fears me. Me work for what me want, cause me no lazy. Never be a beggar, cause me so feisty. Public no trouble people, son not trouble me. Me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what. Cause you can't cool this your fire, fire, fire. Hey.
The worst thing about people is that they like to play victim. When the fire starts to blaze, then run. But then can't run from your fire.
Public no trouble people, son not trouble me. Me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what.